The last setup I want to share with you guys is EURAUD. So as you guys can see on the daily time frame, we are ultimately in a downwards market. We have price pushing towards the downside, coming up for a retracement, and then continued push towards the downside. And ultimately, we are in a downwards market, and that's confirmed by the multiple lower high formations and the continuous lower lows in this current market setup. So for right now, price is currently in an impulsive move. We have multiple bearish candlesticks showing us that the bears are actually in control, the sellers are in control of the market. And for right now, price is just sitting at this level of support. So very similarly to our very first setup that we talked about with GBP odd, where we have a downwards market and we are now currently looking to trade the present impulsive move. So for right now, we need to wait for this level of support to be taken out before continuing to push to the downside. Now, if I were to just scroll out, you can see how important this level was, where we had a rejection here and a multiple rejections over here as well. So this level right here is crucial for EURAUD, and I'm simply just waiting for a break of this level before a continued push towards the downside, with our next target being at 1.64100. This right here is a potential 165 pip move as well. So if we were to just drop down in the 4-hour time frame, you can see the market structure much more clearly. But for right now, again, we just have to wait for this level of support to be taken out, look for a break retest, and then a continued push towards the downside. Take profits is set at 1.64100. And our stop loss we just want to maintain a nice 1 to 3 risk reward. So our stop loss can just be around 40 to 45 pips. We could even, depending on how price action develops, we could even make this even tighter, around 30 to 35 pips as well. But it just all depends on how price action reacts. So EURAUD, very, very similar to GBP odd. I'm just simply waiting for a break of this support level, a retest, and then a continuation back towards the downside.